Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zafira Alia Fifa. I'm from 6BD class, and today I would like to do a job interview simulation. So please watch my videos, and if you're interested with my videos, you can tap the likes and then subscribe our YouTube channel, guys.
I would like to use this interview productively to learn as much as possible about you in a relatively short period of time. I'm going to lead our conversation with questions, but you are more than welcome to jump in and to ask me whatever you might consider useful about the company or about the role. I'm also going to take a few notes on my laptop, and I hope that isn't too distracting. Let's start with tell me about yourself question. Who are you? What have you studied so far? What has been your experience?
Okay, sir. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Zafira Alia Fifa. I graduated from State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. I graduated in 2021. I took English department major, and I have been studied in there for 3 years. And talking about my experience, during my college, I have done internship at PT Kereta Api Indonesia Persero di Freight 3 Palembang. And during my internship, I was in customer service division, and my internship was for 3 months. Then my another experience is I have been joined several competitions like speech contest during my college.
Okay, so why did you choose that particular major and at that particular school?
The reason why I chose State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya as my college is because State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya is one of the best polytechnic in Indonesia. It is shown by in 2014, Polytechnic of Sriwijaya ever been in second positions of the best polytechnic in all over polytechnic in Indonesia. Then and also Polytechnic of Sriwijaya is a vocation school that is contain 60% of practice and 40% of theories that produce the best graduates, and the graduate is ready to go to the work field because they contains more practice than theories. And the reason why I choose English department major is because English department is one of my wishes that, and also based on my skill during my school, I like English very much, and I like to talk English very much. So that's why I chose English department, because it is related to my my skill and my wishes.
During your preparation for this interview, I guess you thought about what you do the best. What are your biggest strengths? And how do you think our company would benefit from them?
Talking about my biggest strength, I am an extremely hardworking person, and I am quick learning. And then also I have a good communication skill both in English and Indonesia. And I also have a similar experience related to my communication skill as a customer service. And the benefits of my strength for this company is, as I told before, that I am a quick learning person that make me to do the task on time, and it is not in deadline, so I can do my task as obeyed, that based on the time that is asked. And also I am good at teamwork that can help this company to solve the problem better and get the solutions to the problems as agreed.
What about your development areas? What do you have identified as your greatest and biggest improvement areas? And what have you done to improve them so far?
As we know that in this world there is no one perfect, whether they have so many strengths, there will be also some weakness or maybe a weakness in them. So talking about my weakness, I am disorganized person, that I also a person that is easy to forget something. The way how I improve my weakness is by listing some task or something that I must do. Then after I done the activity or after I done my task, I will checklist the list so that I will not forget about it, and it make me more organized.
I see on your resume that you had switched jobs not too long ago. Why did you leave your previous position?
Well, it has been great experience working as teller in one of commercial bank in Indonesia for the past 2 years, and I think I'm ready for a change, and I'm looking for the new challenge that where I have to service customers directly, and based on my strength that I'm good at communication skill, and I think that I want to practice my skill directly, and I think meeting a new people with different kinds of characteristic is the new challenging for me. So that's why I leave my current job.
All right. Why are you interviewing with me today? What made you apply for this job, and why do you want to work here?
Before I apply for this job in this company, I have done some research, and I found that this company is one of the best transportation company in Indonesia. And then the reason why I choose this role or this job position is because this job positions that is offered is based on my educational background in English department, that I can use my communication skill both in English and Indonesia. And also during my college, I have experience doing internship in PT Kereta Api Indonesia in customer service division 2. And then I apply for this job is because I like to meet many people that I can talk with them and service them with my best regarding. Then also I like to help people to solve their problem. That's all.
So now tell me about a time when you were in charge of a project with a deadline. Which was the project and how did you meet the deadline?
During my study, I have experience in doing a project with deadline. It is a job training report. In that time, I did my job training report with my friends. We are in one team, and in one team there is 3 people. And the way how we deal with deadline is, for example, for chapter 1, it is handled by me, and we did it in 1 week. And then for chapter 2, my second friend handled that chapter 2, and so on. In chapter 3, my third friend is handled the chapter 3. And for the deadline, at the time we are only did the job training report for about 2 months or 3 months, and in that time we also deal with job training. While we are in job training, we also must do our job training report. So the way how we deal with deadline is we separate our role, and we separate our task. Whether it is my task to do chapter 1, and my friend do the chapter 2, and my other friends do the chapter 3. And then and after we have some revision, we did it together. So that's why that's the way how we handle the deadline.
About a time when you showed an initiative on the job. When was it and which was the outcome?
Talking about initiative in the job, when I did my internship as a customer service division, I ever got a customer that is complain about their ticket is missing. At the time, they are argue with us as customer service that why the officer is not allowed him to enter the boarding gate. It is then at that time I initiative to solve their problem by calming the passenger, and then I as a customer service ask them about their identity card and then about the proof of the boarding pass. And that time I immediately help the passenger to have their ticket again by printing another ticket for the new boarding pass ticket.
About a time when your communication skills helped you at your job. When was it and what did you do?
As I told before that during my internship, I have experience in handling the customer or passengers complaint. In that time, I help passenger to solve their problem. Their problem at the time is they lost their boarding pass ticket, and at the time they are so confused and like really nervous with themselves that they didn't allow to enter the boarding gate. In that time, I use my communication skill because it really helps me a lot. At the time, I calm the passengers. I calm there first, and then ask them to enter the customer service room. And in the customer service room, I help the passenger to solve their problem by asking several questions and ask them to show their identity card. And after I talk to them in friendly way, and I also service them with a good service, and then the passenger is happy that their problem is solved. So that's why my good communication skill is really helped me at the job.
An example of a situation where you had to deal with the conflict at work. What did it consist of and how was it resolved?
Talking about example of situations that I have dealt during my job, as my experience is while I'm in internship, I am in pandemic COVID situations or COVID-19 pandemic situations. In that time, there are so many passengers or customers complain to us as customer service why they must do the rapid test. Meanwhile, the rapid test price is more expensive than the ticket price. At the time, how I deal with the problems is I solve their problem by giving them several statements that rapid test result is one of the requirement for using the train. So the passenger or customer must do the rapid test, or at least they bring the rapid test result so they can use the train. And at the time, at first they didn't get it. By giving them several statements and giving them several solution, they agreed with my solutions.
We're currently interviewing more candidates. That's why I would like to ask you, why do you think we should hire you? And why do you think we should choose you over other candidates?
As my answer that I answered by the several questions that asked by you, the reason why you should hire me is because this job position is really related to my experience and suitable with my educational background and also my greatest strength, and this is also related to my skill in communication skill.
Thanks. Now, do you have any questions for me?
Okay, sir, I have 3 questions that I want to ask to you. That first is, what are the skills and experience you are looking for an ideal candidate? And the second is, what are the current goals that the company is focused on, and how does the team work to support hitting those goals? And so I want to ask your personal experience in here is, what's your favorite part about working in this company?
The recruitment process has started not too long ago, and we are evaluating and discussing different profiles internally. I'll be coming back to you with feedback and with information for the next steps within the next 2 weeks.